To create a Venmo account in Bangladesh, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you should note that Venmo is a US-based service and may not be directly available in Bangladesh. However, you can still create an account using a few workarounds. Start by downloading the Venmo app from the US App Store, as the app may not be available in the Bangladeshi App Store. You can do this by changing your App Store region to the US. Once the app is downloaded, open it and click on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide your email address and create a password. Make sure to use a valid email address and a strong password. After providing the required information, click on Next. You will then be asked to provide your phone number. Since Venmo is a US-based service, you may need to use a US phone number to verify your account. You can purchase a US phone number from various online services or use a friend's US phone number. After providing your phone number, you will receive a verification code. Enter the verification code to verify your phone number. You will then be asked to provide your name and date of birth. The next step is to link your bank account or card. Since Venmo is a US-based service, you may need to use a US bank account or card. You can use a US-based digital bank or a prepaid card. Once you have linked your bank account or card, you can start using your Venmo account. You can add friends, send and receive money, and make purchases. It is essential to note that using a US-based service in Bangladesh may be subject to certain restrictions and regulations. Make sure to check with your bank and the relevant authorities to ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations. In conclusion, creating a Venmo account in Bangladesh requires a few workarounds, including using a US phone number and a US bank account or card. By following these steps, you can create a Venmo account and start using it to send and receive money and make purchases. Always ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations when using a US-based service in Bangladesh.